Hi friends, Brenda here from the Pop-Up Homestead. I thought I would show you what I'm working on today. Makes me feel like a little scientist. I am a budding perfume maker. So that's what all this is about. I decided that I'm going to make some perfume because I've been making a lot of Christmas gifts. For example, I made lip balms for some of my girlfriends. It smells amazing. And it's orange ginger with vitamin E for moisturizing lip gloss. Called lip balm. And then my other girlfriend, I made this linen spray. She has trouble sleeping, so she can spray it on the bed before she goes to bed. But what this is I'm making angel scent perfume. So very new at this. In fact, this is the first day I've done it. Watched some videos on it, read some articles. So what I do know about perfume making is there's top notes, middle notes, and base notes. So I put together this concoction. I got these great little bottles, and I'm filling these up to, to make my own perfume blend. So this bowl here has homemade vanilla extract, which you can see right here, and I made that with vodka and vanilla beans. So this is 20 drops. Okay, 20 drops of vanilla extract. And then I'm going to do 10 drops of geranium. Lavender. I don't want too much lavender, just a little. So I'm just doing 5 drops of that. 5 drops of lavender. Little cassia, which is a really great smell. I don't know if you've ever smelled that before, but it's great. I'm doing 10 drops of cassia. And then lemongrass. Lemongrass can be overpowering, so I'm just going to do 4 drops of that because I don't want that to be too strong. And then cedar wood is kind of a woodsy smell. It's really a nice smell if you've never smelt it, but you don't want a lot of that, so I'm just doing 5 drops. And these all kind of work together. So that's 5 drops of cedar wood. And then the last one is sweet basil. So I'm doing 10 drops of sweet basil. So after I put the essential oil in, then I put Everclear. It's 190 proof grain alcohol, and that mixes with the essential oils. You let it sit for 3 weeks. Mix it up. I'm going to put a lid on it and mix it up. And then it'll sit in a cool, dark place. Hardest part is making sure you don't overfill these little bottles. So I just keep checking. Oh, I suppose I could weigh out the exact amount, but where's the fun in that? Oh, see what happened? This is what happens. I overfilled it. So I'm going to take the dropper and I'm going to squeeze the dropper and put it in here, and it's going to suck up some of the extra, hence the towel. So I have the towel here to catch any of my leaks. Put this on good and just dry it off. Alright, so that's it. I'm making about 13 of these. You can see the bottles that are already made. I got 1 more to go. And in case anyone really likes this, I wrote down this recipe so that I know exactly what was in this so that I can replicate it. I have my little sheet here, and this is just the angel scent perfume, how many drops of each, and that I used Everclear alcohol. And then I also have written down here some top notes, middle notes, and base notes so that I can make different varieties of perfume if I choose to. Probably in the summer I'll do a more florally, citrusy one. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. So on to fill in the next one. I hope you guys enjoy this. I just thought you might find it interesting. And I like to just take you along and show you what I'm doing as I'm making stuff. So, take care, my seedy friends.